Hello all. I come up with the next method in Python is the strings method. So discussing about the string. So what is meant by string? And string means the collection of characters enclosed in double quotes. So in my last class I have discussed about the string capitalize method, and now in this class I am discussed about the string center method. So this is another method in string center method. By using this center method we can center the string. That means we can display the total string in the output screen. That means the string will be located in center, as when you executed the program. And as here we can, this is the syntax here, string dot center, and it has the two arguments. First one is the width and second one is the fill char. So by using this first one is the width. By using this width means we can mention the total width of the string, and fill character means the how many characters we have to append before the string and after the string. And next, return value, and what is the return, it returns as soon as execute the program. And here we can, these are the lines of code. So this is the example. So consider these lines. See, here I have taken, consider these lines, I have taken these lines. So by using the online editor I am just printing this onto output screen. And here you can mention the above what are the number of values. Here I have taken example. I am just printing those lines of code onto output screen. Here the Python files are saved as a python.py. So that is the .py is the extension for all the Python files. So as when executed the program, you can get the output. In order to write the program, so we have editor for all the programs in Python. So the editor for the Python. So this is the simple editor I have got from online. So this is the online editor. I have written the lines of code, and as soon as when written completed, I have saved this written code as a .py extension. So next I have other lines of code is there, and next I am printing the same value. First I have taken some value, that first I have initialized some value called this is the string, and next I am displaying the same lines of code. Next I am displaying same lines of code. Next I am displaying the same lines of code onto output screen. Here you can, here I am, here this is the other way. First I am take a initialize string, and next I am printing the same string on the output screen with a character appending before after it. The character name called a, it is appended before after the string. So as soon as I have written the program, and the program is saved as .py. So so I am compiling the program. So now I am compiling the program. So I got this output. Here you can observe. So this is the string example. This is the output, and you can observe the characters appended before and after the program. So this is about the method called string center method. So this is about the string center method. And next method in the same Python is the string counter method, string count method. So by using this string count method, we can count the how many characters we have entered from the keyboard. So this is the string counter. It has that arguments. So how many arguments? It has the three arguments are there. First one is the sub characters and a substring, that is specifies the substring. And next one is the start of the string. It has it index value is 0, and at the end of the, and next another argument of the this count string is the length of the string. So we can we can get the length of the string. And here we can observe definitions, and here we can have some lines of code. So I am just copying these lines of code onto my editor. I have taken online editor. So I have taken these lines of code for this example. So I have taken these lines of code, and the same I am going to print on my output screen. And this is the, so these are the lines of code I have. So first I am initializing a string called this is the value of the string I have taken, initializer value initializer. Next the substring, that is the character I. So In the main string, in the substring is I, so I am counting the how many times I has occurred, how many times I has occurred in the main string, and next I am printing the count value. That means how many characters have I presented in the main string, and next I am in the substring printing the, I have taken another string called substring, and next printing the length of the string, and it has the how many characters I have taken as substring. So, and I have taken and submit and saved it. I'm saving it as a python.py. Why? Because the extension for the Python program is .py. So I am saving it as .py. So as soon while running the program, so I can here this is the output. I get this output. So this is the number of characters are 3 there. So number of 5 characters are in the main string are 3, and next one is the, this is the count of the string is 1. So this is about the count method. And next we have another methods are there in the string. I shall explain these remaining methods in my next class. And thank you and all. Please try to understand the concept, and thank you all.